Hello, sixth graders. Okay. Today, I am showing you the distance study project. It will look like this. Okay. And you would need any kind of square white paper. Okay. And this is what I started with. And this is 9 inches square, but you can cut that into any around that size. It doesn't have to be exactly 9. Okay. And first you need a pencil, okay, and then you will sketch mountain lines like this. Okay. Now try to draw it natural lines. I don't want you to use cartoon lines like this or this. Okay, so try to draw it more smooth and natural looking. And when you do it, I want you to save the about top half of it blank. Okay, and then you finish drawing all 3 layers of the mountains at the bottom half. Okay, so you have close section and the middle section and the far away section. Now it does not matter if your close section has 1 or 2 mountains. Okay, I did 2, okay, for the close part, and then I just did 1 for the middle, and I did also 2 for the far part. But you can just, switch it around, 1 or 2. It really does not matter. Okay? And then you do not have to write the words middle or far or close. So yours should look like this. All right. Now, when that's done, then you grab a crayon, good old crayons, and just grab some kind of green, dark green, yellow green, blue green, whatever you want, and scribble the texture only on the closest, the bottom mountains. Okay? All right. When that's done, now this is only if you have paint available in your house. Okay? You can use tempera paint, poster color, probably not watercolor for this. Okay, acrylic would work, but be careful, they're not washable. Okay, so any kind of paint. Okay. And the first place that you will paint is the middle mountain. For this, you just use straight green. Okay, you don't mix with anything, just paint it green. And then you mix the little bit of white paint with that green and make a tints of greens, and take care of the far mountain. I did this one a little bit darker because the back mountain right here is the forest, so I used more white for that forest one. Okay, and then rinse the brush. Okay, get rid of all the white out of your brush, and then for the closest mountain, you mix green with black and create the green shades. Okay, and then go over the whole crayon parts and everything. Okay, and then finish the closest mountain. Okay, now that's all you have to do. But if you want to add the sky, okay, this is done really simple. Okay. Now, after you done painting all the mountains, you rinse the brush really well, and you end up with a colored water. Okay, and all I did was just use the colored water to go swish, swish left and right to paint the clouds. Okay, and this is a very simple painting project that shows the distance just by the painting techniques. And if you don't have any paint, you can still do this. Okay, here's an example. Okay, I used the crayon on this one. Same thing, just use the green, straight green, use a light green. And this one, add a lot of textures, dark blue, blue. I even use brown for some part. Okay, and this one, I use the color pencils. Okay, the same thing, straight blue, straight green and light green, and I added the textures with similar greenish, bluish color on this side. Okay, and for the sky on this, I just added the gray and white color pencil or crayon texture, and I even added the small dots to show the birds flying. Okay, so here we go. Okay. So with paints or crayons or color pencils, you cannot use the markers on this. But any medium that you have at home, you can try that and see if it will end up looking like the real mountain. Okay, now I'm going to show you the blue mountain. This is the blue version. Okay. If you want to do a different color mountains, you do the same thing with a different main color. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.